am so thrilled to announce today my new travel watercolor workshops.
So is the work on perspective not too hard? When you just look at how the light tilted, it can be pretty easy finally.
Would you like to come to a fantastic creative adventure and paint with me? And I know that you really like to get a creative, good vibes and nice adventure from me, so even if you think you wouldn't be able to come, I am sure you will like to watch this video because I'm going to share some exclusive shots of my previous workshops, nice watercolor on location atmosphere to enjoy. So stick with me.
This is ultramarine.
Yeah, okay. Naples, yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
that's the one I don't have.
Is that moon glow? Yeah. No, this is indigo.
So let's get to the point. I am so excited that I'm going to bring some of you in Croatia and South India. So Croatia is going to be in September 2019 and South India in January 2020. What wonderful project to plan! Diving into more creative adventures in your good resolution this year? This can be a nice way to stick to it. These projects are some trip we are offering, including at the same time some workshop session and also time to visit and explore new countries. And each trip takes place in several locations so that you can explore a bit more and enjoy more diverse atmospheres to paint. Real wonderful traveling with watercolor courses, experiencing the world, meeting artist friends, learning watercolor, practicing urban sketching and painting on location. Oh, wonderful! That's it, that's what these projects are for. Please note that the shots I am sharing are not from the location we are going to visit and discover in 2019 and 20. They are from my previous workshop in North India and Brittany, France. However, they already convey the kind of a nice workshop mood we are trying to create and hopefully demonstrate how important it is to bring you in some stunning location to paint and sometimes to eat too. Look at this one, so crazy! It was such a surprise in Brittany.
So how are your sketch? That's fun to see you under these columns.
I am offering this workshop with my Canadian organizer Nancy Walsh from Going Places Together, and we put together a really nice formula where we paint in the morning and you have some free time in the afternoon, and this is a really nice schedule that worked really well in the previous workshop. So in the morning during the workshop session I am making some demo and demonstrating how I translate the world through brush strokes.
And this kind of subject has a good occasion to play with color.
I am providing tips and advices so that you feel up to the task and able to do so as well.
A bit more, so you add a bit of pink and transparent red oxide and everything. Yeah, laying down the brush to create the shape. So yeah, try not to outline too much, Anna.
I felt fear in my heart when you came towards me.
Oh, no, I don't. You shouldn't.
I'm only joking.
Of course you are practicing too, so paint from my demo through painting assignments and kind of a mini challenges.
You keep going with the wet in wet work. Yes, that works really well. Maybe you can use again some of the yellow or the red so that you keep having
so
this color. This is the cadmium yellow orange. Maybe the sort of orange you have just there. This is maple yellow. The maple yellow is not really colorful.
We work together on your travel journal, and you can benefit from my one-on-one feedback and critique while you are working and afterwards.
Oh, teeny lovely mini sketch.
Well, I have to have something, don't I?
That's your excuse to have this mini. Yeah, I want. Oh no, yeah, this is the dark look. That Irene is never happy with the sketch, even when it's so lovely like that. Color melted, nice hues.
In the afternoon during the free time, you can keep working on your painting approach and practicing what we work on in the morning, but also of course visit, discover the place, explore, go for a walk, do some shopping and discover the country.
So you have an animal art lover just behind you. Oh, she likes you?
But now I've overworked it.
Hey!
I can assure you and promise that these are wonderful time together to learn the world along with learning watercolor. I really enjoy that these are long trips so that we have really some times to meet each other and to practice and enhance our painting skills and urban sketching watercolor approach. That's true that these trips are a bit pricey for a few reasons. First, because they are 10-day long or 2 weeks long, so 10 days for Croatia and 2 weeks for India. Of course, that's not the same as a 3-day workshops with a painter. Plus, going places together offer as accommodation nice hotels so that you are comfortable and well set up, always clothing up, you know, to the interesting places so that we can just go on foot most of the time. This is so enjoyable. You can just go out of the hotel and paint. Also, they include the transportation during the trip, so bus for Croatia and bus and flight for India, so that we can visit and settle in various places in order to get different atmosphere to paint and enjoy. The trips include the workshop with me, of course, along with the services of Nancy, so the organizer, which is handling everything. Nancy already went there, she knows the place, so she's working for us to be sure everything works well during the trip and is fine. At last, we limit the group to 10 to 12 painters so that I can really devote enough time to each of you when you are painting. But by the way, you can come with a companion, which can be your partner or a friend, even if they are not painting. However, I challenged Nancy to make the Croatia trip the most affordable she could, so I really hope this can help some of you to join if the budget is a bit tight but you still want to come. If you can't come this time anyway, for sure you will be able to enjoy some sharing on YouTube from this creative adventure, so I really hope this news is exciting for everyone. The ones joining the trip and the ones enjoying the sharing on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. So if you think you are interested to join the workshop with me in Croatia, September 2019 or South India, January 2020, feel free to check the link in the description box below. That will bring you on the Going Places Together website. You will get all the info about the itinerary day by day, what we are going to do during the workshop, which places, which hotel, everything. I am also going to put Nancy's email so that you can send her a message if you want more info about the trips. Nancy is going to be in the comments too, so feel free to ask to me, to her, and we will try to answer your question about the workshop side for me and about the kind of organization and traveling side for her. And on each page on her website there is also a link for the registration form, so feel free to use it if you want to join right away. Nancy made an early announcement to our previous students just yesterday, and I'm so thrilled that 3 of them already registered. Thank you so much, Margot, Berit and Anna, for joining again. I am so excited because these are so wonderful people and it means a lot to me that they liked the previous workshop so much that they want to come again. So I guess that's a good sign too if you are wondering if it's worth joining. Woo, so much pressure! Ah! But I guess you already know how much I will do my best to help you enhance your painting and improve your watercolor and bringing you some cheerfulness and nice creative vibes during the whole trip. Woohoo! Oh, and by the way, these are the kind of travel journal I am creating during this workshop. I really need to make a cover for the Brittany one, so you will be able to watch me paint and make all these works live during the travels, and some are demos, exercise, or some painting I am making on my free time. So I really hope this can be really inspiring for you and maybe helping you to jumpstart a more regular practice for watercolor and a travel journaling practice or day-to-day sketchbook practice. And by the way, so these are photos from India, and this is a studio work I made from a scene I painted in Brittany. So I thought they would set the mood rather well along with the fairy light that are more for this season than the weather that we will be able to enjoy in Croatia and South India, which will be more for hats and sandals.
Namaste!
Hopefully you enjoyed this glimpse in my workshop. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, not to miss all these creative adventures coming. Happy holiday and see you soon!
Yeah, all these colors are beautiful. Oh, and look at me with your lovely red spot on the forehead. That's beautiful. Hey, Joanne, it's sweet. You beautifully too, the red spot on the forehead with your lovely Indian outfit. That's wonderful. And buried with a special necklace bought to an old woman just out there in the street.